Testing 1 2 1 2. Oh, YouTube, come on. Lenny. Hello, welcome back. Hello everybody, hello pal. It's another Sims4 Legacy current run on a playlist. There's a playlist, bilingual Welsh English, dwyieithog Cymraeg a Saesneg. Sorry, I'm down dwytha, I had some internet issues, so gobeithio dyn iawn, gobeithio we're okay. So, dwi'm yn cofio be nath ni digwydd tro dwytha. Usual stuff, so this is my Sims4 Fibonacci Legacy, dyma fy Fibonacci Legacy Sims 4. We're following the Fibonacci rules inspired by Tool song, which is and Can Tool. So the first generation has 1, second generation has 1 kid, then 2, we follow down in dilyn y rheola Fibonacci, so it's 1 1 2 3 5 8 13 21. Eventually mae'n mynd I can't shake with it, which is going to go to 134, so that's going to be fun. We are on 3rd gen now. We skipped some numbers, so we've just had 5 kids in the latest one, and we're going to age some of them up. I don't really oedio nhw fyny one. Mae gennym ni, wedi cael, mae bob ar wahân I Ceridwen, apart from Ceridwen, all the kids have been aged up, so that is Maynard, Telyn, Taliesin and an earring, so we're going to have 2 toddlers. I think plan for stream yma, this video hefyd, y video yma yw symud allan, Telyn a Enfys, because I was thinking, you know, with 2 toddlers, if a 2 toddler, mae'n really handy cael lots of adults. Is she gwylio a Kelsey and Peaches me had a brilliant video of tips for os da chi'n neud 100 baby challenge, if you're going to do the 100 baby challenge. Then we that gwylio. And I think honestly, dwi'n meddwl personal, I think it's just if you just move them out, we can make bigger room for ar gyfer y toddler, a maen nhw'n gallu ystafell I hun. We just get a bit more space, I think, cael mwy o room ar gyfer pethau. I think that's going to work in our benefit then as well. We can maybe also get efallai cael Ariana to move in temporarily, like we did with Hugo, but I think, well, Hugo, I just edrych ar ôl nhw. We can move Enfys in with Crystal and yn barod ar gyfer nhw. I've updated Magnolia Blossoms as well I cael caffeine yma because of the update, update yn base games, uwch ar y base game hefyd, I'm playing base games as well. Little Simsy did a great video in the recent update with the cupcakes, so cupcakes bethau. Well, indeed, unwaith I've finished this video, I'll put it in the links below. So yeah, here's just a disclaimer hefyd. Diolch pawb fod yma, thank you everybody for watching and being here. I am recording this live because dwi ddim gallu fyny lwytho ar YouTube ar hyn o bryd. I can't record. I'm recording this live because I can't upload to YouTube, and I'm on PS4 base game. I do have PS4 base game. I am trying to get the skills, as much skills as I can, and to max out the careers ar gyfer yr sgiliau hefyd os dwi'n gallu, but that's a side little thing. The main thing now is the Fibonacci ar rheola, trio cael o'r plant. Meaning now is getting the Fibonacci and trio cael the numbers and stuff. But I'm trying to get each kid to be a little different, bob in y cael gwahanol. While I was sorting stuff off stream, we had Alexander Goth died as well. So I don't actually know what we've got. My Alexander Goth yn y mynwent is in the cemetery in the Goth grave in a birth Goth. So, Kurt, do you have anybody that's actually alive at the moment? Okay, so Bella Goth is marrow, Mortimer Goth has died. Deborah Goth, Alexander Goth, yeah, Roedd, they died yesterday, and Cassandra. So we've got Deborah and Davis at all. And Malcolm Goth, your half brother. Yet. I believe Alexander had a kid, although Davis were planted. Davis has got a kid as well, planting. Oh, Cynthia's a teenager now. Okay, yet. Then wedyn Tina Mewa and Deborah, but I believe Alexander did. Alexander hefo un oedd Brennan, who da ni di cyrraedd, so yeah, so we have some cousins in the teulu. So yeah, that is dyna lle da ni wan. In between, I don't know if she oedio fyny last time. In between, I also aged up the infants, because basically the infants yn ddim yn gorau. I don't enjoy playing with them. Ti'n cael llawer o growing together, mae'n growing together chrwy dda. New kitchen, mae'r expansion pack efo'r gegin, dwi'n fawr edrych chrwy dda hefyd. But personally, I'm not getting that much out of babies and infants, so I'm just aging them up because it's just how to just easier. Because ti'n gofod cael fatha gross motor skills and stuff like that in base game. You don't have that in base game. So nes I just oedio fyny. I forgot as well, nes i'n hofio.
Hey,
I fod honest. So at the moment, dan ni efo Kurt. We have Kurt.
Ah.
Mai. These are our matron, our main Sims. Enfys is Enfys and Roedd is my sister. Creedwen is Kurt and my daughter. Oh, sorry, NB, not just child. Maynard is a son. Telyn is Enfys' child with Crystal, but Crystal. And then you tell Yasina and Erin, which are twins, because I thought we were going to be getting gadael mynd allan i neiliad. It's a cute little grunge look. Cancel. Okay, my game's gone a bit buggy in eiliad. The stage where saving isn't possible. Yeah, I don't want to miss you. So, second Sims than a Sims. Sims I do need Sims. So yeah, is she updatio Magnolia Blossom? I'll update him. I'm going to have a little cafe bach and all. A little bandstand. Just like our pen just for birthdays and stuff. Just thought add a little bit and add it in back and a wedyn. But when your Sims are there now, they're hungry, ti'n god gadael. You don't have to leave when pa mae Sims chdi anna'n bwyd. Yeah. So yeah, yeah, that's the idea heddiw, and the idea heddiw anyway. Hopefully dyn ni'n gallu neud it, because I've got a bit of time constraints today. But yeah, diolch I pawb that sydd wedi gwylio, sydd wedi licio fideos. So it's like the videos and commented a bob dim, dych chi'n amazing. You're all lovely. Chi'n amazing. I'm a likes, comments a bob dim ar y videos. This is my first time doing a legacy. Tro gyntaf I wneud legacy. Cymryd dipyn bach hirach na beth. It's taking a little bit longer than expected. But yeah, doing it. Dwi'n enjoyo fel. I prefer building. Dwi wedi athro wedyn mwy o bethau. Built some more stuff for this as well. Dwi wedi, yeah, I can't remember gweithio. I built some like stuff for in a game later on in the game bydd ni angen a tŷ mwy a build like a bigger house and stuff. Right, okay, what time are we on? What do we need to do? Bydd ni an 2 diwrnod, ti'n iawn. Can you go? I was building and disrupted them. Can you do me a favor? Check on the little ones, please. Okay, pam o ti fanna? What were you doing? I don't like when Sims does this and it's just like, oh. Okay, ti Annan, you're good for fun, you're good for food. Can you play with this as the only toddlers? Not ti yn. Okay, where does Telyn need? Ti yn cysgu, so yeah. You go, does di chara efo hein? Ti gallu cerdded? You can, infants can crawl, right? Yeah, maen nhw'n gallu. Ti angen attention. I don't know about Telyn yn cysgu. Yeah, I believe Telyn was asleep, but I think I built nes I adeiladu. I think I built something in The Sims and yeah. Pay some attention. Let's do that as well. Nid hynna. So ti'n queued up, you're queued up, you've got that. Be ti'n neud? Dos I gael bwyd, you go get food. I think it might be actually easier than actually hawsach I symud allan. You know, the Enfys and that. Because it just means mae'n dipyn bach llai o Sims. Ti cael shower. You get a shower. And then we might actually have like more get leftovers. I was saying dim yn iawn wedyn. Why are you? Ti'n iawn? Ti'n yn cysgu. Okay, you need to sleep. Neirin? Yeah, that's a neirin. That's the only thing. My gyda infant I gwely. Os ti... I thought you were okay though. O'n chdi'n iawn. Ti'n yn cysgu. Do you sleep? I feel like you don't, but okay. Dos I... O'ch ti ddim yn gyfreiddiad yn ôl. So Curse should be coming to give you a hand. Reich hand I chdi. We got that sorted. Kurt, be wyt ti'n neud? So that's Talgeson. Unwaith I age him up, I might give him the makeover as well. They did make. We'll do that one. I'm not sure if I need of a I like the look of it. Dwi'n look of it. Does he got bwyd? You need food as well now that you know your little one is there and siarad efo yeah. Siarad efo dy niece. Can we tell him to sleep because Telyn is a wiggly baby. Nath I cael, ie, Telyn's wiggly, and, no, mae Aneurin yn wiggly, Taliesin is calm. So yeah, that's fun, mae hynna'n fun. Ti'n cael bwyd, you getting food? Maynard, be ti'n neud? You... Okay, ti'n cael bwyd. That's fine. You having food as well. Right, be ti isio? Play the piano.
Maparu. Hey. Oh.
Maynard's all good. Didn't Bron have a gyd teulu ar y bord? We have nearly have all the family at the table. Very nearly. Okay, Amanda and Kusky, they're both asleep. That's cool. Now you're doing that. Ti'n siarad, yeah, you need toilet mewn eiliad. Be ti'n neud? What do you, don't light it, please don't. Ti angen bwyd. It's weird once unwaith they are, ma nhw wedi gysgu, you just have to like take it in shifts. It's just coming down on shifts. But ti'n weirdly okay, you're weirdly okay. Did you complete fo? Ti efo gwaith heddiw, but we can do... You can have time off. So then we've just got to delineate sgiliau hefyd. We've got to do skills today for them. Ti efo amser for heddiw? Daith diwrnod. 2 days. When do you have work? 2 days. So Mai's the only one that's got work then. 12:11. What time do we do the party? I think ar ôl yndo? Yeah, so ti angen cael dydd ffwr heddiw. Okay, well, beth sy'n digwydd fo chdi? What is happening with you? Taliesin. Pam ti'n drist? You wanna go breast time? Ti eisiau mynd I gweld ei barod? So I don't like the infants. Dim ond licio'r infants. It's just, yeah. So da ni'n cael Taliesin I gwely, we can just do the adults, and mae'n lot o sach, cos mae'n plant bach. The little ones are asleep. Everybody's having food. Kurt, beth sy'n digwydd? You've got a crying child. Pick them up. Sims. Sims. Don't try for baby with my. You're not getting. So. Wait. Why you put lle ti'n mynd? You don't have the baby. Okay. Yeah. That's weird. That's very weird. Okay, you dusty gysgu. You can go sleep then. We do need you to do some music stuff, Mynir. Before I move them out, did I manage to get... Nah, nes I ddim. Dwi angen cael gitar I chdi. If I move them out, I want them to have a guitar. So maen nhw efo lluniau, they have some pictures. So maen nhw gallu mynd â lluniau efo nhw. I need to sort that out as well. might do the birthday party a wedyn symud nhw on. Penblwydd a wedyn symud nhw fewn. Can you pick up one of these guitars? Do you not have a guitar? Oh, bod chdi efo guitar. Violin. See mama. Violin. Violin. Ah, ti have a guitar. So yeah, we'll put that in the inventory as symud nhw allan. Move them out. So ti'n cael bwyd. Da ni di goffan aspiration the tech one newid tech one, so I've changed it to newid a successful lineage, because the nesa yw have a child marry ar un arall priodia. So we've got this one because it's easier for now. Ti'n pretty good ar gyfer bob dim. Oh, also we can get meta, da ni gallu mynd very meta. Mae can live stream, mae gallu live streamio ffydion fyw. Where's it gone? They can live stream Sims, so my Sims can live stream Sims. My Sims can live stream Sims while I live stream it. And they earn money. If you have, os ti have a Sims with that's got better level V, I am esports competitor. Don't know if the top of the tech guru, at a tech guru one. That's an extra way make money, man. For the extra need man press. Okay, so my curtain I'll go fun do I hynna. Yeah, the Sims is just not very like about infants. With the infants, they'll like sometimes do it so can't tell you that. I'll get them to, they put them to bed and then they will literally be like talk to your brother, shout your brother chdi. It'll be like, oh no, let's not do that. No ni ddim neud hynna. You know, it's so weird. It's like, no, we're not gonna put the baby to bed. Then we need the baby man. Oh, okay. Beth ti'n neud felly Maynard? What are you doing? Ti Annan. So, because we're gonna age them up today, then we need oedio nhw fyny. These have school. Mae hyn efo ysgol hefyd. So your skills, ti'n, I believe, a B student. Yeah. Their skills. So I'm doing it with Telyn every trick. I'll have Bob Dimitri try and get everything to 3. Mental and motor. Can we do a quick little gonna party penblwydd? We do have birthday. Why don't you go do this? I feel like the more like you play in Generations, the more it's like death birthday party. Marwolaeth party penblwydd, marwolaeth party penblwydd. Speaking of that, please need sure you need actually need a my beauty need. You're good for everything. Why don't you I'm gonna get the Dominicala plant I actually live stream your hon. So get you to live stream Sims. The meta begins. Mae'r meta yn dechrau. Anna, o'ch ti'n siarad? Where's my going? Okay, Kurt does. So all the kids are asleep. Mae'r plant I gyd gysgu. Yeah, do that. Can I do hynna? Then ti'n gallu dod lawr a deud, where's this? I know there's a mod to make it easier. Compliment, complaints. Can you need hynna and then is it deep thoughts? Deep thoughts ydi o. Na ni. Trio cael moodlet yma lawr. Try and get this moodlet down. You know. So, be di skill chdi? So, what are your skills then? Ti efo programming 10, video game, programming 10, video game 8, so we're nearly there. Ti yna mynd toilet. Then ti efo ysgol, you have school. So once mae ysgol di dechrau, we should be flying through a bit more stuff. Di bach o sydyn. Ti yna'n shower a toilet. So do that and then dos your toilet, shower, because we only got one shower. We only got one shower. So it's literally take time. Bob dim. You're good. Da chi'n siarad. Ti'n cysgu. Oh, I think after this we will get them a date, but I think we just need to do the birthday party first. Yr un gynta. Wait, can you do a date? Can you do a date like this? Oh, I could take him to like so Penboydd. We could do a birthday party. No, Penboydd ar gyfer Kurt, because that's going to be an elder. But I think we do. Can you date? No, wait. Can you do a date? I didn't see that. Okay, no, I think that's an interaction. Yeah, no. Ti yn toilet do you have Cerdwen? Actually, yes, Cerdwen done. No, mae Cerdwen iawn. I believe they good. Mae nhw'n bob dim iawn. My skills nearly at level 10 paintio, and we're going to get them to do some other bits and bobs wedyn. The artistic prodigy of it, we've got that one. So we just need to do 10 excellent paintings, and admire amgueddfa, which we can do. We'll do a little trip, no need trip. Once the kids are toddlers, we'll just do a little trip. Take everybody with us. Come and help everybody. Ti wedi gan amser I cael nap? Do you have enough time for a nap before school? Yeah. In the school, cry it out and then do sleep after that. Wedyn Kurt. Yeah, need hynna. Okay, just cael coffee because I've got to figure out stuff. Right, okay. Shipwood, get some food. I thought I told you to get some food. No, but I don't like the tan. I do not like the fireplace, but I want, you know. I like it though. Really clever. Destinate now, you've done that. You get some food. You potentially go get sleep as well, actually. Cael cwsg, because the toddler's gonna wake up. At some point, new point. This is my turn to back. This is your bed as well. Are you an alien? Okay. No weird. So 7 o'clock. Bod saith has hanner 'di saith gwylio gyda kids, they go to work. Yeah, see, like when the live streaming when I call the bits of donations. So I don't know, like when pensy. Okay, then got correct when cysgu mewn dipyn bach. Oh, one of the kids are up. I need it. Tell yes, Aneirin. Be ti isio Aneirin? What do you want Aneirin? Bwyd a ti isio fun. Okay. Mai, cos ti'n mwy deffro, I believe you're more awake. Yeah, dipyn bach, just slightly. So, don't know, like, it's the case of just, you can't really do much, ti ddim gallu neud lot. More choice. Nah, un eiliad. Clean up. Ti angen bwyd, you want food as well. That's doing well, didn't good. Care o Sims fi well na dwi'n fatha edrych fi fy hyn. Kurt has got my thing, my Enfys, everybody's got their stuff. Okay. So, ti'n dod fyny? You come up the stairs. Yeah, ti'n dod. You are on the way. Cool. I want to say Craigwen is good. My Craigwen in that just before school. This should be fine. Ti angen bwyd, but the social will be fine because I didn't help him. But tipyn bwyd later. Maynard. Ti angen fod fyny cael rhywbeth. Just ti cael, you can be up because you need that. A ti angen bwyd, so cael hwnna cyn mynd i ysgol. Mai's looking after that. Ti'n cael, once you can like, unwaith you get into the flow stuff, unwaith ti'n cael the flow a pethau, you do get the hang of this. Dwi'n meddwl anyway, I can believe so anyway. Okay. She knew the nappy. Where's the nappy gone? Where's the diaper gone? Does she need it? No.
Oh.
I thought I had. I also got 2 bins, which got 2 bins. So dwi'n meddwl yn ysgol yn mae'r infant yn cysgu I'll take you to the graveyard, but yeah, she got 2 bin cos mae'n hawsach efo toddler and infant, 2 infant, oedd eisiau hawsach i wneud fel hyn. Okay, mae'n just cyn ysgol, so Craigwen. Defro fi, please. Wake up for me, please. Try and see if you can grab some quick meal. I nes I cael gwared y microwave hefyd. I got rid of my microwave because I wasn't using it. I didn't actually defnyddio fo. But I realised some of the toddler food, weithiau rhai o'r plant toddler, ti actually angen o. You do actually need it. But unwaith. Okay, ni amser ysgol I chdi. Ti'n mynd I ysgol. Mai's there. Kurt and cysgu? Kurt to sleep. Yep. So, unwaith in Mai and cysgu, we'll get Kurt to do with the little ones of our infants. I think we got it. Don't even pass. Nope, we don't have. Oh, why? right when I thought I had everything. Bew t-shirt. What do you want? Fun food. Okay. Kurt, sorry, do got I. Do you know what? Right when I was like, I got this. Do we have I got this planned. I can do this. Then you gallu neud o. Nope. Sims fatha, nope. It's a squash, of course. Okay, so 12:30. Okay, that's fine. Need you to do this. And it tells us but it was just easier to do stuff. So we just got thing. My plant wedi mynd I ysgol. So once you've done that, give Taliesin a bath. Okay. Kurt should be on the way. Yeah, Kurt ar y ffordd. Oh, diolch Sims right in between. Right in the ganol. Okay. So team, you're good. Can you do like
Oh no bad.
need to I also feel bad for Telyn. It doesn't wake him up. Do them cot, you know. But I do feel bad for Telyn because this is a very busy room. Man, ystafell really brysur. And di eistedd ar y gwely, just sat on the bed there. Kurt. No, be ti'n neud? Be arall wyt ti'n neud? Why are you going there? I don't know. My Sims are really rhyfedd. The Sims are really weird sometimes. Fel ni'n deud.
Napa waba. Ubisa stay a cleats. You samba pony. Yappy or Adisa.
Posh Magenzo, Nubu.
And orphan. Flomore. Bagoni.
Okay, so we got that. Then need to know we've done that one. Ti'n happy fanna. Sorry, making just make sure about Sims are doing what they're meant to. Be ma' nhw fod I. What I do with the Sims, but do it efo Sims hanner amser, is be ti'n neud? Dance, panting dawnsio. I just get them to just chwarae, stay in the room, aros yn ystafell yma a chwarae efo toys, play with toys, because it's just easier. So I want to try and maybe make the room bigger, neud yr ystafell yn fwy, cos mae'n just aros yn ystafell yr infants. So Aneirin. Ti'n yn cysgu? Okay, that's weird. Why? Did you? Oh, 'cause is it Wiggly Baby? Is it Wiggly Baby? Is that what it is? So teen sorted, yeah. If you find someone in eiliad, you can just go and play there then. Kurt can go back to sleep. Because that's the only way like anybody can get any sleep. Teen down cysgu, so we're good. Yeah, my did hwnna chwarae'r thing and play the thing. But Andy, I think it's meant to help with Wiggly Babies. Mum wedi helpu efo Baby Wiggly. Oh, sorry. I don't know if we're going to be able to get to the party penblwydd. I think I was trying to get them to age up, but sometimes it just takes a bit longer. yn cymryd bach eich na beth. Well, I'm so sorry. It's maybe an infant day. Just edrych ar ôl infants heddiw. Now ni symud allan. Move them out next stream. Enfys, what are you doing awake? Dusty toilet lawr grisia. That's why we have two toilets. The mam have dau toilet. Just your toilet out and cysgu after that. Yeah, cool. Do you need anything else? Because they're using the toilet and pawb yn their toilet. Let's see how boyd sudden. You grab some quick food. Dusty toilet wedyn. I didn't go sleep. Cysgu, one is asleep. This is the way. No, literally is the only way I've been able to do it. So ti'n gallu mynd ffwrdd na. Oh, they've got a thingy. Oh, sweet. So royalties dot down, royalties come in. Might need to make some more apps, because that might be able to help us. Maybe bach more apps, ella. We'll see. I think live streaming is actually. No, I do want to try a get riches thing. Dusty cupcakes, man, they're good. Betty Annan, what do you want? Dusty girl shower. If you don't have food, go for a quick shower while nobody's in there, because this is what we have to do. The cupboard. And then 10 and a wheels, so we change outfits. A wedyn, I want to see if os dwi'n gallu cael nhw i o leia goffan un can. I want to see if they can at least finish one more song in this house and the take in nhw symud allan. You're sorted, ti'n sortio. Oh, we need to do the thing. Dwi'n gwybod a'ch chi'n drist. But can you study hard for me, please? I chdi cael grades chi fyny. Thank you very much. You're all good. Yeah, it's more just chwarae infants and just trying to get them to do stuff. Oh. This is I thought no, it's been like off stream. I do like 4 or 5 hours of this because I don't know. Oh god. Probably like I've said, I'm still experimenting with the legacy challenge, my first one. I don't know if this sort of stuff is actually entertaining because mine's a little bit chaotic. Mae'n dych bach chaotic. I guess that's process. But like I said, fel ni'n deud, mae base game infants just ddim efo llawer yn efo. Just doesn't have much in it. You know. Dim efo fatha llawer yn efo. Enfys, tell him, Boyd, what are you doing, Enfys? Ti'n clwglyd? You're hungry. Eat it and then go. I'm gonna check to eat. Yeah, no. Food. spooky little sim. Gwrando ar hwnna tan ti'n cael bwyd. Listen to that while you have food. Ti'n ysgolio school. You're gonna wake up angry in mewn un eiliad, but that's fine. Da ni'n cael pawb, you know. When does work for my technically start at 3 hour? Well, the potential my toddler am different of an ingent. Toddler's gonna wake up before that anyway. We do that one. I want to just do that first. Need sure bod ni'n dal ados I gysgu. Okay, ti'n hapus, you're okay with that one. Ti'n cael bwyd. Dina? Who's Dina? There's so many Sims, Maro. There's so many Sims dying. Dina's connection to the physical world is friends and family should visit their resting place and tend to strengthen. Who's Dina? Do we know them? I need to happen. Sims yn neud o weithiau. There's off stream there's like Johnny died, a lot of people died. Dina, pwy? Dina. Chdi'n nabod Dina? I want my next generation of it, un o Sims trio priodi, try to have all the ghoster unemployed. It's like I want to see if I can get a ghost in base game into my household as well, because that'd be quite fun. Can ghosts hold babies and stuff, like actually help around the tea? Oh god, I don't know. Can they? I might have to look, because instead of having a nanny, I'd like call nanny near rhywun arall random symudion nhw. We could have that in. Tell yes, ti'n iawn, you're playing with stuff. So I need can stream before the next part. Can it down nessa? I need to sort the photos out. Don't really do that. Oh, okay. Infant, beth sy'n problem o chdi wan? Ti'n iawn? Happen you. Ti di blino? Okay. This is what I mean, like they're awake for like 2 femtoseconds. Enfys, put your thingy to put one of the little ones to bed. I know, dude, out of fun. I'm on the way. I know. Okay, we got the tide out. We got like 3 hours before the party to get a party, but I'm gonna have to finish it soonish. We'll get this one to sleep. Or how we have everybody's mostly then asleep or in school. Name a school. We've got a smidgen of a second. Get any smidgen at Eli with this peace. Say that the toddler's gonna wake up, isn't it? My toddler mynd I deffro. You know. Say that. But toddler's gonna wake up as soon as I get like, oh, so everybody's back asleep. Pawb nôl y gysgu. They're gonna do that. We're fine. We're in iawn. We'll be good. you know. A wedyn, ti'n gallu, can you then do your stuff? This? Because, yeah. Yeah, we'll do, I'm going to try and get them to write that song. Dwi am trio just sortio lluniau out. I need to sort the pictures out, like photographs, so Enfys can take them to the new house. Oh, I knew it. I ni'n gwybod. Kurt, Kurt. I knew it. I ni'n gwybod. I knew it was going to happen. O'n mynd I gwybod bod o'n mynd I digwydd. Okay. Unwaith nes I ddeud, as soon as I said, clean up. I said, nes I deud y geiriau, I said the words, and yeah. Unwaith nes I deud y geiriau, as soon as I said the words, Sim was like, no, choose violence. Dewis violence, and I'm gonna do this. Right, okay. Mae un cysgu wants to sleep. Do you know what? I think that might be a good spot for us to finish. Yeah, sorry, it wasn't quite this anymore. I wasn't quite anymore. Exactly what was the plan for this stream. A pennod yma in this episode. It was going to be more about moving out. Enfys, symud allan Enfys, but unfortunately I think it was just infants. Just plants. So yeah. We'll need party pen blwydd. I'll get some stuff. Next part will be a birthday party for all the little ones I gyd. So we'll have 2 toddlers and 2 toddler. A symud allan Telyn a Enfys, and moving out Telyn and Enfys. So yeah, diolch pawb yn gwylio. Thank you for watching, whether you watched a VOD or whether you watched live neu watched VOD neu fyw. I will put Little Simsy did a brilliant video of all the updates and stuff for the cupcakes and stuff, which we'll be exploring next episode, pennod nesa. Because Peach they did like some really good like 100 baby tips on the channel and other channel nhw hefyd. So yeah. Diolch pawb yn gwylio. Thank you everybody for watching. I hope you have a safe day. Cael dydd dda. Diolch pawb.